Hello guys. What's up? Welcome to my channel The TECH-ster. Today's video is for all the macOS lovers out there who want to run the OS without messing up their Windows or data on the PC or laptop. In this video, I'll be telling the easiest way to install macOS on your Windows PC. Without a further ado, let's begin.
Click on Zombie Apocalypse.
Assuming that VirtualBox is installed in your PC or laptop, we are gonna first download the files necessary for running the VM. Click on the first link in the description and it'll land you to this website. Now this is the disk file that contains all the necessary files to run your VM. Just click on download and it'll start. Since I've already downloaded the file, I'm canceling it. The file is approximately 6 GB. Next, click on the second link in the description and download this file. I've downloaded this as well. So after both the files are downloaded, right-click on the disk file and extract it using WIN RAR. This might take a little bit of time. Meanwhile, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to it. After the extraction is complete, head over to the VirtualBox application that's installed. Click on New, and name your virtual machine. Here I'm gonna name it as macOS Catalina. Select the destination or the location where the VM is to be installed, according to your preference. Make sure the type is macOS X, and the version is macOS X 64-bit. Then slide the bar up to how much RAM you want to allocate for this virtual machine. Next, select Use an existing virtual hard disk file, and browse to where the extracted VM file is placed. Finally, click Create. Now we gotta tweak some of its settings, so that the machine can start working. Once the VM is created, click on Settings, and the General setting opens up. No changes are required here. Settings, in the Motherboard tab, uncheck Floppy. Then go to the Processor tab, and slide the bar to a minimum of 2 CPUs, however 4 CPUs are recommended. In the display settings, slide the video memory to full, that is 128 MB. Do not make any other changes to the VMware settings, as the machine may encounter errors if done so. Jump to the USB tab and select USB 3.0. Click on OK. Now we need to run a few commands for our macOS to start. From the General group, copy the name of your virtual machine and open up the text document that we had downloaded. Once open, select the text within the quotes and click on Edit tab, and click on Replace. Paste the name of your VM in the column which says Replace With, and click Replace All. Now open the command prompt as administrator and start running the codes one by one in order. Make sure that all the codes have been run correctly in the given order. close the command prompt window. Now we are all set to start our macOS Catalina. Click on Start button, and you will see a pop-up window with a logo of VirtualBox. Just wait for all the commands to run. It might take a few minutes. Now you will see an installation that has been started. Now this installation of the OS will take a minimum of 30 minutes, and can increase or decrease depending upon your computer and internet speed. Now let it install. My installation has nearly come to an end. It says less than a minute remaining. Unfortunately, my VM installation is stuck at less than a minute since long. If you also encounter this issue, just shut down the machine without saving its current state, and then click on Start again. Usually, the VirtualBox logo shows up on the screen, and the installation will continue. By any chance, if you get an error something like the one on my screen which says startup.nsh, no need to worry. This is usually caused by an EFI Boot error. Just wait until all commands run. Once you feel that they have stopped appearing, type and exit. Now, using the arrow keys, navigate to Boot Maintenance Manager and press Enter. Move down to Boot from File and press Enter. Select the option which specifies the name of the virtual machine. Now, highlight macOS install data using the arrow keys and press Enter. Then enter into Locked Files, and then into Boot Files, and finally head to boot.efi and press Enter. Now it'll start running many codes, and this might take time. Do not try exiting or do any other stuff when these codes are running. Now the installation might take a minimum of 30 minutes as told earlier. In my case it shows 22 minutes. Finally, our macOS has been installed, and now we need to finish setting it up. Select your country, click on Continue, and Continue again. Please be patient while installing it as it might take some time to load up the pages. Make sure that Don't Transfer Any Information Now is checked, and click on Next. Then scroll down the agreement and click on Agree. Create a computer account, enter your full name, the account name, and a password. Continue all the windows that appear. Now choose the look you want. You can choose between 3 of them and click on Continue. Wait for a couple of minutes. And the desktop page of our macOS Catalina appears. And as you can see, we have now installed our macOS Catalina on our VirtualBox by solving all the errors successfully. Thanks, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.